Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the whiteboard option next to the docs button and tap to the whiteboard option, the first option. And you create a new whiteboard, and in the templates section you can find different whiteboard templates for project plan, business model, and mind map and other, and just select one and step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.